Revit 2023 introduces new enhancements to control the display of shape-edited floors. When you modify a flat floor with shape editing tools, you can add points or split lines to divide the surface into subregions that slope independently. In Revit 2023, the floor category includes new folding lines and split line subcategories, enabling you to control the visibility of these sloping subregions boundaries. These new subcategories replace the interior edges subcategory from previous versions of Revit. You can also convert folding lines into split lines. Place your cursor over a folding line and hit the Tab key to select it. Then click the new Convert Lines button on the Shape Editing panel of the Modify Floors contextual tab. Note that only folding lines can be converted to split lines. A folding line converted into a split line can be converted back by deleting the split line. Control the display of your floor elements and improve your documentation efficiency with the new folding lines and split line subcategories in Revit 2023.